that we, practicing this discipline, do not remain undervalued, underrepresented, and largely misunderstood. So the question becomes, if we want to be valued, if we want to be taught about, if we want to be told about what is our strategic role, life and fire safety is a strategic discipline. It is the engineering of assurance, pre-construction, in what the output is going to give us long term. It is not a post-construction audit. This is how sustainable environments are built. We, as fire safety engineers, are meant to predict, design, specify, and ensure that the environment is constructed with minimal inherent risk. This is the bedrock on which we can have safe buildings and systems, and we can last the long haul if we aspire to become America, if we aspire to be a Singapore, then we must do that. Unfortunately, a very important discipline that is based on international best practice, and I want to emphasize this, localized application. Localized application. I'll get to that later. And it is a risk-informed decision-making engineering skill that we must apply through concept engineering to make sure that our environment is built sustainably and we're living in safer communities. It is unfortunate in the context of Nigeria and West Africa, however, that we are a thought-after discipline. We're an after-incident inclusion, not a pre-project concept inclusion. The Nigerian context, and largely in West Africa, is this, right? I heard mention of technical reviews, like Honorable said, you have a code for 1963, it's irrelevant. There's no point in saying we have a code. With all due respect, fire service, there's no point in saying we have a code, right? Because I can't use it. So I would rather walk away from the job than adopt to something that is going to be an issue later. So there should be continuous review. We should create centers of excellence in universities where you are asked, this fire engineering is not taught in any university here. You pretty much learn it on your own on one safety program and all that, right? But shouldn't there be a university with a center for modeling? I'm telling you, big fire modeling, egress modeling, smooth spread modeling, as you are rightly saying, testing what we're putting in. Those are the creative and advanced way where this institution stands to take the lead. And in that way, you're actually building competent engineering skills of the future. Now, I want to then round up by just saying that with all of that, I'll leave one question. As a community of safety engineers, can we rise to be guardians of the discipline, practicing it with a lot of ethics, knowing that the opportunities are endless for those who are qualified? Can we as safety engineers demand competence from our colleagues, insist on being included, and deliver safe national value? Can we say that to ourselves? Can we push that? Our objective is what? Is policy into protection. We transform policy into protection. We design for the defense when the incident does happen. And we engineer for assurance. So as safety engineers, we're actually what? Nation builders. Any engineering project without any safety is a failed project. And we must do this by advocating for competence, right? I heard mention of technical reviews, like Honorable said, you have a code for 1963, it's irrelevant. There's no point in saying we have a code. With all due respect, fire service, there's no point in saying we have a code, right?